Oh, this is my guide on how to make a lot of money really fast in Octopath Traveler 0. And a lot faster than other YouTubers have. I've seen one video in particular where they would get like 4 fleece. Well, watch this. 12. And last time I did this, I got 24. And those fleeces I just got, you obviously just sell them. Other people already showed this method, but my method gives a lot more fleece than the other methods that I saw. Now, how did I get more fleece? Well, it's simple. I added this guy to my ranch. Award-winning farmer. Use leaves to purchase fodder to increase the yield. Go over to your farm. And look. You can buy fodder once you have the award-winning farmer in your in your ranch. You can buy the fodder. And the fodder is really cheap. See? And you don't even use up all the fodder at once either. You only use some of it. And you end up with more fleece. You saw I got 12. Well, I've actually got 24 one time when I did this. So you can get even more than 12. And yeah, what you need to do this method, the first thing you need is this, and you need to get Animal Whisperer. You get the stone Sacred Flame Dais, as well as the church, just by advancing, rebuilding Wishvale. And then you just purchase use one of your Flamestones to get Animal Whisperer. I still don't even have the 3rd Flamestone yet, but I don't even need it. Anyway, once you have the Animal Whisperer, you want to go to Shephard's Rock and you can purchase you can invite the Sheep King or whatever it is. The Sheep King will be right around over here. Just invite it. And then just put it as the manager in the ranch. And then have the award-winning farmer as well as a grand breeder. And you're good. You're all set. That's all you need. I'm not sure where I found the award-winning farmer, unfortunately. There's no way I can know where he was at. So, yeah, I don't know. You'll just have to find him. Or find someone with his ability. Same for this guy, or same for this person. I don't know where I found this person either. But once you have those 2 people and you have the sheep, the former herd leader, you can go out and battle 10 battles. It does not matter where you battle at. In the sake of this video, we're just going to go to Burkane. And then go out here to Burkane Pass. Why do you want to go out? Why would I go here to battle when I could battle easier enemies? Well, the reason for that is so you can encounter the chubby Kate enemies. I got an alluring ribbon equipped, as well as a lucky coin. I already did a video on how to get lucky coin. And I've also got more rare monsters mastery equipped as well. I already did a video on how to get that and the lucky coin already. And right off the bat we get a chubby Caton at Fleece, which is pretty typical. So now we need to battle 10 times, 10 battles. This will be really fast. Just have a Scholar and do Tornado. And you'll wipe all the enemies out. Assuming you're high enough level and you have a good enough weapon. And just keep doing this over and over again until you fight 10 battles. You can fight over 10 too. You don't need to fight exactly 10. That was 3. Battle number 4. Battle number 5. You can get over 1,000,000. I'll just put it like a... You could probably get over 2,000,000 with this method in an hour. Oh, it's kind of sucks at flood again, but... Got 6. I don't count the Cates that flee as battles. You're going to need to use Inspiriting Plums though. 7. You're also getting a lot of money just by battling too. So I'm going to put over 1.5 million per hour. I think that's pretty safe to put in the title. But it's actually more than that. We'll do one more battle. And then we'll go back and see how many fleece we get in that short amount of time. By just battling these 10 enemies.
Quiet at last.
Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. $10 plus the money here, and 24. See, I told you. Now, the guy I watched was only getting 4. He showed him only getting 4. I just got 36. They sell for $6,000 a piece too. 200,000 right there. Boom. And if you look here, I have this cleric, master salesman, raises selling price. That's what causes them to sell for $6,000. So that's something else the guide that I watched didn't show. That's how you get a lot of money in Octopath Traveler really fast. Faster than other methods. I don't think there's a faster method than what I'm using here. In terms of this fleece farming, that is. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Later.